in this particular part, we are going to talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of using a social networking site. Society nowadays are surrounded by mobile devices and various social networking sites such as Twitter, Facebook and Snapchats. Whenever we are making use of this particular sites, for each and everything we are aware there are certain advantages and there are certain disadvantages. So we will be looking both the sites first, looking onto the positive effects of using a social networking site. As you are able to see over here, staying in touch means just on the mouse click we are able to connect to any other person on any other corner of the world. Suppose my cousins are there in USA, on just a mouse click now, on just a click now, either with the help of video call or with the help of Facebook or with the help of Twitter or with the help of any other social networking sites which are available, within 2 minutes I am able to communicate with them. That means distance is not a matter nowadays. It is just a mouse click or a click which helps us to connect to any other person. The second advantage is technical skill. Now, as I said, technology is having both parts. It is having both sides of the coin, the positive as well as the negative. The positive part is that when a particular student or a youth gets connected to any of the technical websites nowadays available, that person will be able to enhance his technical skills. Nowadays, we all are aware during this lockdown period, many of the students have enrolled for White Hat Junior. Now, they are utilizing the time in a much positive manner. With the help of that particular website, they are able to enhance their technical qualities. Sorry. The third advantage is communicating and making friends. As you are able to see over here, we are just a mouse click or a click away of sending the request to any other person. If the person accepts our request, we will be in a condition to chat with that particular person. Moving on to the disadvantage. Damage personal relationships and decrease productivity. As you are able to see in this video, daughter and father are sitting and the son is busy on his laptop. So nowadays the personal relationships are very less nowadays, and we believe more in the virtual kind of relationship. Each and every person are busy with their own gadgets or their devices. They have no time in order to talk with their family members, but they are having a huge amount of time in order to spend in the virtual world. As you are able to see over here, he is busy in his gadgets. Now, the most drawback of using a social networking site is cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? I'll just put a light on cyberbullying. Cyberbullying means teasing some other person by making use of computers or social networking sites. Teasing, giving names, giving bad words to that particular person online, or using certain social websites comes under cyberbullying. So yes, this is the major drawback nowadays the youth are facing, that is cyberbullying. The third and the most important thing we are facing nowadays is spelling and grammar check. As you are able to see over here, where are you coming? Over here, when are you coming? It is ARENYOU. But nowadays, we are so much used to writing the shortcuts that even in our day-to-day life, we are just writing when are you coming. That means we are only writing R. We are not writing ARE. So we are having a much drawback of spelling and grammar nowadays, because we are so much acquainted with the social websites that are English, or our grammar is becoming worse day by day, and we are so much used to of getting shortcuts nowadays.